Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. So friends, I'm back with another amazing CarPlay device that I will be testing on my new Land Cruiser. Now this one is called Z3 AI Box. It's from a very famous company called Rotop, and the amazing feature about this device is that this one has Android 10 operating system. Now if you've seen my old videos, all the devices that I've tested so far were based on Android 9 operating system, and this will be the first Android 10 operating system CarPlay device that I will be testing. So stick around guys to check out all the amazing features of this new device. But before I take this out to my car, let's do the unboxing and check out the contents of this box. Now the device comes in a very nice, stylish black box. It's quite hard and secure. You've got the specifications of the device on this side, and that's it. Let's open the box. We can see the device. Open the device. So the device is quite lightweight. It's a very nice, sleek, compact design. It's not very bulky. It's got USB-A connection on this side and USB-C connection on the other side. I really like the color. I haven't tested a white color device. I have been testing all black color devices, but I must say that this white color looks quite elegant. Now let's keep this on the side. Let's open the box and check out the other contents. Now what else do we have? We've got the cable to connect the device with the car. It's type C and A. And I also see the adapter in this packet. So you see this adapter allows you to connect your type C cars as well. So that's nice that they've given this adapter along. What else do we have in the box? I see this must be the GPS antenna. So for those of you who would need a GPS antenna, in most cases you would not need it because there are lots of navigation apps that you can download that would not require a GPS antenna. But if you really do need one, you just need to plug this in, and then you're ready to go. And then finally we've got instructions manual as well. Very clear images. It's nice. We can see the specification of the hardware, right? It's a 4-core CPU with the memory and the Android 10 system. It also shows a few functions. It tells you how to set up the device in the car. So we would be needing this when we take the device to my car. That's it guys. There's not much left in the box. So now we will go to my car and install the device. So I'm in my car now. I have the device ready. I will connect it to the system of my car using USB-A connection. Here we go. It usually takes a little more time for the first time for the system to recognize the device and then sync. So just allow it a few seconds, we will soon see the Android menu page on the screen. There you go. So the device is ready. This is the Android home page. This is Android 10. It looks quite nice, and I must say it's much better than Android 9. So as you can see, the setup and installation is very easy. It's just a simple plug and play. You just connect the device with your car. It will take about 10-15 seconds, and then the Android homepage will appear. That's it. What I will do now is take you through all the different apps, the functionality and the features of this device. Let me first give you a quick tour of the home page. Now, starting on the left side top, you can see the time, then you have the voice input, then you have the connectivity signals, the Wi-Fi, GPS. This circle logo is basically takes you home, a back button, and right at the bottom you see the Bluetooth sign and also the USB sign. Now this device has 64 GB internal memory, but you can always attach a USB storage device to the other end of the device to get more memory. Now on the main page you have 4 pre-installed apps, and then if you scroll to the right you have a few more apps, but you can always go to the Google Play and install more apps, and we'll do that to show how that works. So the first thing I would like to do is connect to internet. Let's go to settings, let's go to more settings, network and internet, switch it on. There you go. Let's connect to my internet. You can see the internet is connected now. Let's go back to the home page. Now internet is connected to the device. You can see the internet logo here. So the first thing let's do is check if the browser is working. Okay, let's go to a website. There you go. The browser is working fine. Now let's see if YouTube is working. Let's click on YouTube. Let's play one of my videos. Okay, YouTube seems to be working perfectly fine. Now let's go to Google Play and download some apps and games to see if they're working fine. Let's open Google Play and let's download Candy Crush. So Candy Crush is installed now. Now let's install one of my favorite apps to watch live TV. It's called IPTV Smarters Pro. Alright, my TV app is also downloaded. So we've got all the apps that we wanted to test are downloaded now. So I'll go back to the home page and click on the apps, and we can see all the apps appearing here. So we've got TikTok, which we downloaded, Candy Crush, my TV app as well. So we've got Spotify. So now what we'll do is go one by one to test each of these apps. Now let's start with testing Candy Crush. It seems to be working fine. Now let's test Spotify. Works perfectly fine. Now let's test my live TV app. Okay.
The country can afford. We saw that last week with the scaling
Works
back
perfectly fine.
high-speed rail in the north.
Now let's check if Netflix is working. I don't have my login details with me, but at least we can see if the app is working. Yeah, seems to be working fine, and I'm sure once I sign in, I will be able to watch some movies and shows. Now let's test TikTok. It's quite a famous app these days, so let's see if it works fine. Yeah, there you go. It seems to be working fine. Yeah. I know there are a few people who don't really like to use the Android system. They would prefer the standard CarPlay system. The good thing about this device is that it has the inbuilt standard CarPlay system as well. So if you don't want to use the Android system and you want to go back to the standard CarPlay system, which is the Apple CarPlay for iPhone and the Android Auto for Android phones, you can always go back to that. This is where it takes you to that standard. Now I have an iPhone, so this would open up Apple's CarPlay. Oh, there you go. So this is the standard Apple CarPlay interface. Obviously it's very simple. If you don't know what CarPlay is, you should watch my other videos, but you can see all the apps are appearing fine. Let's check if Waze is working. Let's pick up a location. Yeah, there you go. So, standard CarPlay is working. The apps within the standard CarPlay are also working, which is really good news. Now, another great feature about this device is that it has the split screen function. Now, this function allows you to see two apps side by side at the same time. So what we do is go here. Let's say if you want to see YouTube, drag it on the right. There you go. And then let's say we want to see the browser on the right. There you go. So you can see two apps side by side at the same time. I love this feature. Now I will tell you the 5 things that I love about this device. The first and the most important thing is that this device has Android 10 operating system built in. Now this means that you can go and download any app that you like from Google Play Store and enjoy it in your car. The second thing that I love about this device is that it is super fast. It has a 4-core processor with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory storage space. The third thing about this device that I love is that along with the Android interface, this device also has the standard CarPlay or the Android Auto system. This is for those people who don't really want to use the Android interface and it gets complicated for them. They can always use the standard and more simpler CarPlay or the Android Auto interface. The fourth one is quite important. Now, even with this device, you can use all the controls in your car, like the touch screen, the knob operations, the steering wheel controls. You can also use the voice command to operate this device. Last but not the least is the size of this device. This device is ultra thin, very compact, and this can be placed anywhere in the car and it will not clutter up the space. If you like this device and you're interested to buy it, just go to the link that I have provided in the description of this video. That will take you directly to the website where you can purchase this device. That's it, guys. If you have any questions about this device or any other CarPlay device, just drop me a WhatsApp message. I've provided a direct WhatsApp message link in the description of this video. Finally, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks.